This is Michael Browning for Caravan Camping Sales, and today we're in Victoria's High Country to preview what I think is the most exciting new development in the Australian hybrid caravan market. Behind me is the new Track T4. It's called T4 because it's the fourth iteration of track trailers, camping and caravanning off-road vehicles produced since the year 2000. And it has many surprises which I'm sure are going to be copied or at least admired within the Australian caravan industry. Effectively, the T4 replaces track trailers Topaz, and this model, the Symphony that we've got here today, is the equivalent model to what the Topaz was in its final Scout variation, which was introduced a year ago. There are so many differences and clever ideas embodied in the T4 that we need to go through them in detail. Let's look first at the outside. A kitchen, which is stand on some but optional on other models, and it's a beauty. Just pull it out, pop the unique track windshield, unpack the cooker, pull out the sink, and you're set. It's inside that the new T4 really breaks a lot of new ground. Now, there are a few areas. Hydraulic roof actuators are not new in the hybrid market. This is a mechanical electronic actuator, and it's really handy instead of trying to undo corner clips. So if you want to actually raise the roof, all you do is hit the app, or you can hit the button inside, and here comes the roof. 4 corner actuators. Most hybrids only have 2 in the centre, but this one's got 4. Raise it evenly, raises the curtain at the same time, and so that gives you the full height in a couple of seconds. At the same time, if you want to, it's got electric awning, so you can have that out as well. Let's do that, and here comes the awning. There's a lot of smart thinking inside this new T4, and a lot of it goes through this Red Vision control panel. For example, I want to have the lights on, I want to vary the lights. You can do all sorts of things with that. I'm going to travelling now, I actually want to lock all the drawers. There's no catches, see, there's no sliders, but press this, they're all locked. All the drawers are locked. I think that's a fantastic thing for an off-road van. You don't have to worry whether you've left a particular thing open or shut. You can obviously do other things here, like they're open. You can monitor your various gauges, your level gauge. That's their details with any smart information panel. But have a look at this. You want to have access to a pantry. Here's a pantry. Look what happens here. Toaster and a coffee machine. How good's that? Another good thing about the lighting control panel is that you can actually equalise the lighting inside and out. You've got more than 100 watts of lighting just by this dimmer switch. So it's like bringing the outside inside. But wait, there's more. Come further back. Where's the table? Well, Track Trailer thought of that too, and it's under here. So you can remove this panel, and here it comes. All the way out. So when it's here, you pick this bit up, and here it comes. Now, there's a magnet that keeps it fully open, so you can sit here, or I suppose feeling really lazy, you can push it back, have breakfast in bed. Another cool thing, 0 gravity blinds. Have a look at this. They just stop at any spot, down to fully down for nighttime sleeping. Look, the T4 is full of innovation. It's well ahead of many of its competitors in terms of innovation. I suppose you'd have to say that electronics play a big part in this, and that's the way of the future. So this is glamping, but in the model range you can start with a fairly basic Symphony unit like this before you add the options. You can go all the way up to the full Hamburg with the Works Rhapsody, which has as many creature comforts as most people would find in the latest caravans. It's an impressive new product, and I think Track Trailer hopes and deserves it to do well.